and you'd be well advised to look over the field. The Queen was there with other members of the royal family to get a close-up of this year's Derby hopefuls. Number 8, the well-fancied Nixar. And number 22, the favourite Seabird II. And here are the chaps with the biggest job of all. And riding the French Hope Seabird, Australian Pat Glennon. One of Ireland's hopes, Meadow Court, Lester Piggott up. And riding I Say, French champion Roger Poisselet. Lucentor looking a bit unsettled. Jockey Stan Smith. And Sonicelli giving Brian Connaughton his first Derby ride. Her Majesty exchanges one pair of glasses for another with a bit of magnification. The field is now under starter's orders. And they're away up the hill. 1.5 miles ahead of them, and the carrot is a prize of over £65,000. Nixar makes a good beginning with I Say, Sonicelli, and the outsider Bam Royal. Rounding Cheltenham Corner, it's Sonicelli, Nixar, Gulf Pearl, Meadow Court, and I Say. And I Say, what about Seabird? And up from behind the leaders, the French colt starts his run. Here's the picture that really shows you how the Derby was won. Pat Glennon in green silk and Seabird taking wing. Yes, Seabird's airborne, winging his way past the leaders. What a fantastically powerful finish. In second place, Meadow Court, and I Say, third. So the Derby's gone to the favourite from France, superbly ridden by Pat Glennon. A Derby win at his third attempt for owner Etienne Paulet, and the second biggest prize money in the history of the race. Only one word for it: magnifique.